Welcome. Today, we're not crossing continents. We're plunging into the mysterious world beneath the waves. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet its depths remain largely unexplored, holding secrets stranger than fiction. We've mapped Mars and the Moon in more detail than our own ocean floor. In the crushing dark, life thrives in forms that defy our understanding, and landscapes appear that seem otherworldly. What we'll explore are real mysteries, discoveries that challenge our perception of the world. So join me as we descend into the unknown. Let's begin our journey into the abyss. Our first stop is off Japan's Ryukyu Islands, where a diver in 1986 discovered a colossal stone structure at 25 meters deep. The Yonaguni Monument features massive, stacked platforms, terraces, and steps so precise and geometric they seem man-made. Some see pillars, animal shapes, and channels resembling ancient roads. The debate: is this a natural geological formation or the work of a lost civilization? Geologists argue that sandstone fractures and underwater currents could create these shapes naturally. Others, like Professor Masaki Kimura, believe markings and carvings point to human hands, possibly from a civilization over 10,000 years old. If true, it would predate the pyramids and rewrite history. Yet no tools or artifacts have been found, just the enigmatic stone. Skeptics see only natural erosion and wishful thinking. For now, Yonaguni remains a silent riddle, nature's masterpiece, or a lost city. The ocean keeps its secrets well. What do you believe? Our journey continues, venturing into the enigmatic depths of the world's oceans. Next, we head to the Baltic Sea, a body of water steeped in history and, as we'll discover, mystery. It was here in 2011, during a treasure hunt, that a team of Swedish explorers known as Ocean X stumbled upon something truly bizarre. Their sonar picked up a perfectly circular, almost unnatural 60-meter-wide object resting silently on the seabed, shrouded in the perpetual twilight of the deep. Immediately dubbed the Baltic Sea Anomaly by the media, the discovery, with its distinct disc-like shape, reminiscent of something otherworldly, and the strange trailing track or groove behind it, sparked wild theories and conjecture across the internet. Some enthusiasts even boldly called it a crashed UFO, lost to the depths. Adding fuel to the fire, the Ocean X team reported strange electronic failures and interference whenever they were positioned directly above the site, further fueling speculation and intrigue. However, geologists approaching the mystery with scientific rigor suggest it's simply a glacial deposit, an oddly shaped rock formation perhaps, left behind by the relentless march and subsequent retreat of glaciers during the last ice age. Yet, when divers examined the object more closely, they found what appeared to be distinct right angles, unnaturally smooth edges, and even stair-like features, hinting at a more structured origin. Adding to the confusion, they discovered volcanic rock that is not typically found in the Baltic Sea region. Skeptics and critics, however, blame the initial excitement on low-resolution sonar images and the human tendency towards confirmation bias, seeing patterns where none truly exist. They are calling it simply a geological curiosity, nothing more. Still, despite the attempts at rational explanation, questions linger. Why the almost mathematically perfect circle? Why the presence of strange rocks not typically found in the area? And perhaps most perplexing, why the consistent equipment failures? For now, the anomaly remains a tantalizing puzzle. Is it a product of entirely natural processes, or something more? Whatever the answer, it reminds us just how much of the ocean floor is still essentially a blank map waiting to be explored. In a way, it's a Rorschach test, a canvas upon which we project our hopes, fears, and boundless imagination. The truth for now remains elusive, lying in the cold, unforgiving embrace of the Baltic, hidden in the dark depths. So what's your theory? The ocean's mysteries endure, beckoning us to explore further, onward to the next enigma. The Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico is a land of hidden wonders, a place where the earth whispers secrets through its unique geological formations. Among these wonders lies the Cenote Angelita, a seemingly ordinary sinkhole from above. But beneath its tranquil surface, it hides a phenomenon, a spectacle that defies expectations. A sight so surreal it seems almost impossible, a river flowing serenely underwater, a liquid boundary in the heart of the earth. To witness this marvel, divers descend, venturing into the cool, dark embrace of the cenote. They glide through clear, fresh water, the sunlight filtering down, creating an ethereal glow. But their journey takes an unexpected turn as they hit a thick, cloudy layer, a milky curtain that obscures the depths below. It's an eerie, submerged fog, a ghostly realm suspended within the water. Within this fog, tree branches poke through, skeletal reminders of a world above, now submerged in this strange underwater landscape. Below this layer, a dark, tannin-stained river emerges, its waters flowing with an almost palpable sense of movement. This river winds along, the cenote floor carving a path through the darkness. The illusion of a river is created by a layer of hydrogen sulfide, a chemical compound formed by decaying organic matter. This layer is trapped between fresh water above and denser saltwater below, creating a stark contrast in water densities. This halocline, this meeting of different densities, forms a visible river, a distinct boundary that tricks the eye. It's a river in the depths, a trick of chemistry and density, a testament to the power of natural processes. The salt water at the bottom, heavier and more concentrated, creeps along the floor, seeking the lowest point, often disturbed by divers exploring this unique environment, mimicking a flowing current, a river's gentle push. It's a world apart, an alien landscape hidden beneath the familiar, hostile to most life, toxic in its composition, and nearly devoid of life as we know it. The hydrogen sulfide is deadly in high concentrations, a silent threat to the unprepared, and the salt water is anoxic, lacking the oxygen needed to sustain most aquatic creatures. Yet despite its dangers, it's a stunning example of how nature creates, even in the most extreme conditions, otherworldly landscapes, scenes that seem plucked from the realm of science fiction. All this exists right beneath our feet, a hidden world waiting to be discovered. Sometimes the strangest places, the most unbelievable sights, are hidden just below the surface, concealed from the casual observer. Cenote Angelita, with its underwater river, is a dreamlike reminder, a hauntingly beautiful testament of Earth's hidden wonders, the marvels that lie waiting to be explored. Would you dare to dive in, to brave the depths and witness this extraordinary phenomenon? Let's surface and continue our journey, seeking out more of Earth's captivating secrets. Off Egypt's coast lies the sunken city of Heraklion, once thought to be pure legend. In 2000, archaeologists discovered its ruins beneath the Mediterranean, revealing a metropolis lost for over 1,000 years. Divers found grand temples, colossal statues, and artifacts from both Egyptian and Greek cultures. Over 700 anchors and 60 shipwrecks show it was a bustling port. Gold coins and inscribed plaques confirmed its identity. Heraklion was real. The city's demise came suddenly, likely from earthquakes and liquefying ground, sinking it beneath the waves. Excavation continues, each find adding to the story of this cosmopolitan hub. Heraklion bridges two ancient worlds, offering a rare glimpse into their connection. Its rediscovery is a testament to technology and perseverance. Nature may hide our history, but it can be found again. Heraklion is no longer myth. It's a real-life Atlantis. What other cities wait beneath the sea? The search goes on. In the Bahamas, just 6 meters underwater, lies the Bimini Road, a line of massive rectangular limestone blocks stretching nearly a kilometer. Discovered in 1968, its pavement-like appearance led many to believe it was built by an ancient civilization, maybe even Atlantis. Some claim the stones are too uniform to be natural, pointing to layers and features resembling masonry. But geologists say it's beach rock, formed naturally as sand cements together and fractures into blocks. Radiocarbon dating and core samples support the natural origin. The rounded corners and lack of tool marks further suggest nature's handiwork. Still, the allure of a lost civilization persists, drawing divers and dreamers alike. The Bimini Road sits at the edge of science and legend. Is it a mundane geological feature, or something more? The ocean blurs the line between fact and fantasy. What do you see when you look at Bimini? The mystery endures. Just off the stunning New Jersey coastline, where the waves of the Atlantic Ocean meet the sandy shores, lies a mystery hidden beneath the surface. Back in 1985, a team of intrepid explorers stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. Using sonar technology, they detected the unmistakable shapes of not one, but two 19th century steam locomotives resting on the ocean floor. What made this discovery even more baffling was the fact that the locomotives were sitting perfectly upright on the seabed, as if carefully placed there. There was no sign of a shipwreck nearby, and no tracks leading to or from the site, adding to the enigma. Just the silent, ghostly presence of these trains in the deep, a stark contrast to their intended purpose. These are rare planet-class engines, a type of locomotive that dates back to the 1850s, representing a pivotal era in railway history. Despite spending over a century underwater, they are remarkably preserved, a testament to the materials and craftsmanship of the time. The iron bodies of these mechanical behemoths are now heavily encrusted with marine life, yet remain surprisingly intact, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. But the biggest question remains: how did they get there, so far from shore and without any apparent wreckage? Theories abound, with historians and maritime experts offering various explanations. One possibility is that they were lost from a ship, perhaps during transport to a new railway line. Perhaps a sudden, violent storm overwhelmed the vessel, forcing the crew to jettison the heavy locomotives in a desperate attempt to save a sinking vessel and its crew. Yet, the absence of any associated shipwreck in the surrounding underwater search area only deepens the mystery. Adding another layer to the puzzle, the locomotives lack tenders, the cars that carry their coal and water. This suggests they were likely being shipped new, possibly directly from the manufacturer. This begs the question: what was their intended destination, and why did they never arrive? The answer, for now, remains frustratingly unknown, lost to the depths of time and the sea. They are orphans, abandoned and alone, silent relics of the industrial age, a time of great innovation and expansion. Their story, once filled with promise and purpose, is now largely lost to the relentless embrace of the sea. The question of whether they should be raised from their watery grave or left undisturbed as underwater relics is a complex one, fraught with ethical and practical considerations. The debate continues among historians, archaeologists, and conservationists, but for now, they rest peacefully on the seabed, serving as a haunting monument to a maritime mystery, a testament to a forgotten mishap, a moment in history swallowed by the waves. It's a reminder that not all ocean mysteries involve ancient civilizations or long-lost treasures. Some are echoes from our own relatively recent past, still waiting to be fully understood. The sea still swallows history without a trace, guarding its secrets jealously. So, what secrets lie hidden beneath the waves just off your nearest shore? The ocean never forgets, and it always has more stories to tell. Near California's Davidson Seamount, at 3,000 meters deep, scientists found a vast octopus garden. Thousands of pearl octopuses gathered together. Octopuses are usually solitary, so this massive nursery was a shock. Females cluster around hydrothermal vents, using the warm water to speed up egg development. Instead of waiting a decade in freezing water, eggs here hatch in under 2 years. This adaptation boosts survival and rewrites what we know about octopus behavior. The Octopus Garden is the largest known aggregation of its kind, a metropolis in the abyss. It's a testament to life's ingenuity, thriving in the most extreme environments. Even in the 21st century, the deep ocean surprises us. What else waits in the darkness? The ocean's wonders are far from exhausted. Let's return to the surface. We've journeyed from sunken cities to underwater trains, from rivers and cenotes to octopus nurseries in the abyss. The ocean is a living museum, a place of endless discovery and adaptation. Each mystery reminds us how little we truly know. The deep sea holds countless puzzles waiting for explorers to unlock them. If you're inspired by these wonders, subscribe and join us for more. Thank you for diving into the unknown with me. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.